This is the 120 in one electric screwdriver set. In the set, you've got the driver, some extension parts, all your driver bits. There's everything ranging from flat, Phillips, all the way to security with some I don't even recognize, if I'm honest, and I work as an engineer. You've got tweezers that have come in super handy. Let's get straight to showing you what it can do, and I'll talk about it while I do it. So turn on, just hold on the on button for 3 seconds, and then your screen will light up, and then you can set your torque for undoing or tightening if you want to change it. So what I have used this screwdriver for is taking apart electronics. Just got to pick the correct bit up, and you've got a handy LED torch in here so you can see exactly where you're working. Okay, so let me do this in view of the camera if I can. Locate it in there. You got to hold quite taut because it's quite tight, because it does kick a little bit. There you go. Screw it out, and the bits are magnetic, which also helps. Let's put that one back in. Okay, and going back in is as simple as coming out as well. So just press the in button and in it goes. Okay, so excuse the angle, but my PC is under my desk. Another use I found this is amazing for is working on computers and other electronics. I don't want to take my computer apart for the video, but I'll just show you on a screw on the case. Super easy. And with the adjustable torque, if you are working inside the computer, you can turn the torque right down so you know you're not going to strip any screws or bolts in important components. Let's just go back in with that one. We've got another example here. Here's a kid's toy. Comes in very useful. It was actually mid kid's birthday party, and we needed to get the batteries in for the kids so they could play. Once again, there you go. Loosened off so you can get to the battery. Pop the battery in, if it needed changing, that is. Tighten straight back up, hand that straight off to a child, and they can be happy while they play. Right, so that was literally just 3 quick uses of how I use this screwdriver. It's super convenient. You have all your bits in one place. Like I said, the tweezers are also super useful if you've got screws in small recessed holes that you can't get out. Packages neatly away. USB chargeable, and it comes with a USB-C or USB-A to C lead to charge it, so you won't have to worry about buying batteries. And I absolutely recommend getting one of these.